Welcome to Quizerz. Are you ready for another round of delicious decisions? Let's see if you can choose between these sweet treats. You only have 5 seconds for each question, so make your picks quickly. And also subscribe our channel for more fun Quizerz like this. And let's get started first up. Would you rather sweet tarts or macaron? Would you prefer dum-dums or pound cake? Cotton candy or a caramel apple? What's your pick? Caramel candies or Werther's Original? Here's a tricky one. Smarties or pastel meringue cookies? Would you rather Lindt Lindor or Ferrero Rocher? Which would you rather taste? Caramel blondie or candy cookies? What's your choice? Skittles or sour rolls? Sour Patch Kids or scones? Candy canes or cinnamon roll? Would you rather munch on M&Ms or lemon bars? Would you prefer Now and Later or Fruity Pebble cereal bars? Would you rather Kit Kat or pumpkin pie? Which sweet would you choose? A Snickers bar or carrot cake? Never eat candy again or comment your favorite candy below? Marshmallow or a brownie? What do you prefer? Would you rather eat licorice or apple pie? Would you rather have snow caps or raisinets? Which one would you choose? Hershey's Kiss or baklava? Bazooka bubblegum or Hubba Bubba bubble tape? Twix bar or tiramisu? What's your pick? Would you rather have Laffy Taffy or fruit roll-ups? Which one would you rather enjoy? Cadbury eggs or Oreo eggs? Would you choose Reese's Cup or a peanut butter cookie? Would you rather chew on a Starburst or dig into some fudge? What's your choice? Tootsie Roll or fruitcake? Snack on a payday or enjoy a slice of Boston cream pie? Charleston Chew or coffee cake? Would you rather have a Milky Way or a cream puff? Twinkies or honey buns? What's your pick? Milk chocolate covered pecans or peanut brittle? Peppermint patty or Godiva chocolates? Snack on a Crunch Bar or enjoy a fruit tart? Would you rather eat Rollo or pineapple upside-down cake? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.